Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can upload your recorded video or your videos to your YouTube channel. First of all, you want to open your browser, type YouTube, and make sure that you are logged in to this Gmail account. So if you have a Gmail, you want to type gmail.com and you want to log in to your Gmail account. Once you are logged in, you want to refresh your YouTube so that you are logged in accordingly. And then in the top, you can either click on create or you can just click on your channel. So let's just click on create, upload video. And here we will be able to upload your video. Here you will have two options. You can always just open the file where the video is, drag your video, or simply click on select, locate your file. We'll try to locate our video and let's choose the lightest video possible. Click open and the video will be uploaded. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video.